Have you ever imagined a world where waste can be considered a resource? A world where all agricultural generated residues can be converted to valuable products? Yes, in my research world, all that you see as waste, I see as a resource. Similar to most countries of the world, Australia berry sector produces tons of tasty fruits that contribute significantly to our economy. However, about 20 to 30% of these fruits are rejected annually due to quality standards. Most of these fruit rejects end up in landfills or are left open in the farms, contributing to environmental degradation, by proxy posing a threat to the health of you and I. The farmers are burdened with the challenges of finding the best possible way to manage not just these fruit rejects, but other residues such as the coconut coir coming from the fruit cultivation. My research focuses on finding the best possible approach to sustainably harness this so-called waste into resources. Anaerobic digestion is the key technology in my research. This basically involves feeding a group of microorganisms with these fruit rejects, which in the absence of oxygen are converted to energy in form of gases. However, it's not as simple, considering that the acid contained in these fruits could affect the balance within the microbial community. Imagine a football team of 11 players with different responsibilities facing a very tough opponent. For this team to win the match, the coach has to constantly tweak the formation so as to establish a balance amongst the players. I am the coach in this research. The microbial community are my players, while the fruits are the tough opponents. By tweaking the way of feeding the microorganisms, a balance can be established within the community, which will be more simple and cost-effective than current practices that either utilizes a complex and cost-intensive dual system that separates the microorganisms into two distinct communities, or by digesting these fruits with specific and ideal ways such as livestock manure that might not be readily available in certain localities. By utilizing the approach proposed in this current research, maximum energy can be recovered from these fruit rejects. A part of this energy can be returned to the farm as a source of electricity and heat, while the other part can be used to power other systems for the management of other residues such as the coconut coir that would be difficult for the microorganisms to digest. The output from this other system would be nutrient-rich ashes that can be returned to the farm as a source of fertilizer for the fruits. It is my belief that the outcome of this research will be a win-win situation for all stakeholders involved. Myself as the researcher and the coach of these microorganisms. The farmers that will see the farm become energy and nutrient self-sufficient. The climate that will experience less release of potent greenhouse gases such as methane and carbon dioxide. And of course, the government that will see the waste management challenge of a key sector in our economy under control in a rather sustainable manner. Thank you.